Hello friends, welcome to my channel I Play and Learn. I'm going to show you I got this from the magic notebook. Shall I tell you how I got it? Because there were so many questions and I answered them all correct. It was like a quiz, but an easy peasy quiz. So the first question was that how many planets are there in the solar system? Then I answered it 8. And the next question was, which is the biggest planet in the solar system? That was Jupiter, the most gas planet in the world. The next question was, which planet do we live in? That question was Earth. I answered it Earth because we live on Earth. Duh.
And another question you can say, which is the nearest planet to the sun?
Which is the nearest planet to the sun?
Mercury.
Mercury. Yes. Thank you. And the next question was, what was the biggest planet in the what is the biggest animal? I said with a long neck. I said giraffe.
It's tallest animal.
It's a tiny bit taller than it. And the next question was, who has a long trunk? Yes?
It's only an elephant.
Yeah.
So finally you got this gift?
Yeah.
It looks very nice. What is this?
It's a
Fluffy toy.
fluffy
Cat toy. You want to open this? Just open and show your friends.
Yeah. And you can see the back part.
Yeah, it's looking impressive.
Not getting out. I think I need a scissors for this. My superpower will open this box. This is so fluffy. And let me just take out this box from the way. So that now you can see it. This is very fluffy. And when we hold it, and when it shivers, our whole body shivers, and it says alive pets. And it's like a unicorn, but it is a cat. Look at her hair. So fluffy.
Oh, here is a button.
Yeah.
Just press it. Oh, it can dance? Nice music. Yeah.
Again.
Such a lovely toy.
Yeah. And have you ever seen a cat with pink shoes on? Pink paws?
Wow, pink shoes. They're nice.
Oh, and it also has
So it's an electronic toy?
Yeah. It has an on-off button. Right now it is on. Because it is on, see? It's kind of funny from the mouth. Friends, I need to tell you also one more thing. That over here na. When there was only one music na. Look at here. Now I'm going to press another part. She's again and again looking at me because I am her.
Friend.
I'm her keeper. Yeah. She's so cute. Wait, now I'm going to press over here. If you like my gift, thank you. Oh, goodbye. Please subscribe for more videos. Hit the bell notification so that you can never miss a video. Bye.